What's up guys, it's Brandon from AMS Performance. We're here in Brite Studio Supra today, and hopefully we can solve one of the biggest issues we are seeing in the A90 Supra, which is the wind buffeting. If you guys have ever driven one or you own one, you know for a fact when the windows are down, the wind buffeting is absolutely horrible. It's almost deafening at some points, usually around the 40 mile per hour to 60 mile per hour range. It's just absolutely unbearable. So we have a solution. We're going to take you for a quick drive without the install of the wind buffeting cancellation system that we have planned to release soon. And then we're going to go after the install and show you the difference. And hopefully you can pick up on our microphones to see exactly what the differences are with and without. And we'll go from there. All right, so we're going to roll the windows down here. It's like 31 degrees out in Chicago, but I'm doing it for you guys, so we'll just see how bad this actually is. All right, so we're about 30 miles per hour, 40, 50. It's pretty bad right now. About 60, and it kind of dies off around like 65, but right around that 50 to 60 mile per hour range. Right now we're back down to 55, and it's pretty bad. So yeah, you can probably hear it in the camera right now, but yeah, we'll see if we can fix that. In here. So we have two GoPros, we have a professional mic hooked up in the back where most of the wind seems to be collecting. What we're going to do now is basically take the car back to the shop. We're going to install our wind buffeting cancellation plates. You'll be able to see the carbon fiber looks awesome. You'll be able to see the quality and fitment and the install process. And we'll go back out, we'll try driving with the plates on to see if the wind buffeting stops or dies down a little bit, and hopefully you can pick up on the difference in sound from the before and after. All right, we're back here in R&D, and in the before video, you guys probably heard how bad the wind buffeting actually was in the Supra. So this is our solution. It's our carbon fiber wind buffeting cancellation plate. Easy to install, looks absolutely amazing on the car. The carbon fiber looks so good. We're gonna go ahead and do a quick install on here. We're gonna take the car back out, do an after video, and it should almost eliminate all the wind buffeting problems we're having on the A90 Supra. So we just installed the wind buffeting plates. We're cruising right now, right around 50, 51 miles per hour, right around the sweet spot where the worst wind buffeting issues are in the car. So we're gonna go ahead and roll down the window and see if the plates helped at all. And it actually does work, like a lot. It's pretty impressive. There's no buffeting issues at all in the car. I can't hear anything, so we'll try to go up a little bit faster, around 60. And even around 60 miles per hour, there's no issues at all. It's totally comfortable while driving, so I think that solved the issue that we were having before. And right now we're around 35, 40 miles per hour. No issues whatsoever, sounds completely normal. Slowing down a little bit here. And right now we're right around 30, 20, 15, nothing. So looks like the plates themselves actually fixed all the issues that we're having from the past. Alright, so it looks like the wind buffeting plates actually did help quite a bit. It seems like all the issues are gone, no matter if the windows are rolled all the way down, quarter of the way up, everywhere is just, the wind buffeting's gone. So definitely a nice piece to install. Will be available very soon in 2 different finishes. We're gonna have a black gloss ABS plastic to match the OE trim on the mirrors, as well as a carbon fiber version that we installed today. So if you have any questions or concerns or comments, please go ahead and ask, and hopefully we'll have these available soon for you guys to purchase.